What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to create a children's book using Canva and ChatGPT. So let's get right to it. First of all, you need to have an account on Canva and an account on ChatGPT. So the way that will go is that ChatGPT will be used to generate the story itself, the index and all. And Canva will be obviously used for the design. Now, if you don't already have an idea on what type of book you want, go ahead to Canva and search here for children book to get an idea of what you want. And here you get all types of templates for children's books. And let's say we want to use a template here, especially for the cover. And some of the templates are for the pro users. However, I am a pro user. You would want to find a template that is for a free user, like this one, if you are a free user. Now, let's say I want to use a template from the available ones right here. So let's say for the sake of this video, I'll use this one, and then I'll create, or I'll make a story, or write a story on ChatGPT using the theme of forest. So a magical forest, forest animals, something along these lines. So let's click on this one, and I'll use a free template so you can follow along with me. However, you can use any template that you want. Okay, then go ahead and customize this template. And now the cover is set up here. Let's add pages. Okay, of course you can add as many pages as you want. And in the pages here, let's search for a design, for example, for children book pages. Hit enter, and it'll generate so many types of like cover pages, and we want something with like minimal designs that you can use as a design for the page itself, not the cover photo. So let's say here page, and of course I can add elements later to any design I'll choose. I'll just use this one so that, and I can go ahead and remove the some of the elements right here and add, for example, let's add elements. Let's type in forest, just to add a forest design at the footer of the page here, at the bottom of the page. Okay, this one looks good. Let's add it, let's say, to the corner, and then forest animals, and let's add this one to the other corner right here, and let's add this one to the page, shrink it down a bit, add it to this corner, maybe make it a bit bigger. Okay, it's okay if they overlap, no problems. Okay, this looks good. Now let's go ahead and add a text. So we're also adding a text template, and scroll down to see one that we like, or a text combination that we like here. I want something with a paragraph and a good style. And let's say for the sake of this video, I'll choose this one. Okay, add it, and we can change the text itself later, don't worry. Now that we've added our design, let's go back to the page right here and choose a name for our book. Let's say the magical, or the magic forest. Okay, and add a subtitle for let's say forest animals. And of course, for each text right here, we can change the font, we can change the color. Let's make it, for example, bright green here, and we can change the font, choose this font, and edit the text as well, all the styling of the text, and by yourself. So by, let's say, how to simple, and here let's delete this one, delete this element, click on it, sorry, click on the element itself to delete it, and now we're good to go. Now it's time for ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and then tell it to generate an index for a children story named The Magical Forest or The Magic Forest. Okay, enter. And it even generates it in the alphabetical order. So what you want to do is to go and copy each chapter's title. Okay, copy it. And then go ahead and paste it right here. Let's say this will be the title or the chapter title page, Adventure Begin. And let's delete this one. And let's add a new page or duplicate this page right here. Delete this title. And then go ahead to ChatGPT, and for each chapter right here, we want to generate an actual chapter. So let's say for each title, or let's copy the first one, Adventure Begins, and let's tell ChatGPT to generate a chapter with the name Adventure Begins. Okay, and now ChatGPT will generate the chapter itself or the content itself of the chapter. Now you would want to copy it here and then paste it once it finishes generating, and then paste it here in the page. And you can split it if it's too long here for ChatGPT. You can tell ChatGPT to make it shorter if you want to, or make it longer. However, for this, I will split it into like 3 pages. So this part, I'll copy it and then paste it in this page. And here it pasted with the same font as the title. Let's make it smaller. So, for example, at 8, no, it's too small. 14, too small again. Let's say 32. Okay, looking good. And let's increase the spacing a bit, the line spacing. Okay, this looks good. Let's move it down a bit so that it doesn't intersect with the top part. Okay, and push it inwards so that there are some margins for printing. Okay, looks good. And then go ahead and duplicate the page, delete, and into the text container right here, just go select the text, go to ChatGPT, and then select the next part. Let's say I want to select till then, copy it, and then go ahead, mark the text, paste it, and make sure to increase the line spacing a bit here if you want to. So select the text, increase line spacing, and edit the positioning. Okay, looks good. Let's duplicate the page another time, and let's select the rest of the chapter. So select the rest of the text here, copy it, and then go ahead, mark the text in the box, and then paste it, and move it down a bit here. Okay, looking good. And now you get the idea. You can do the same for literally each page. Of course, then you would want to generate another chapter. So duplicate the page, delete the text, go ahead and copy this title from here, paste it in the empty page, and that'll be the next beginning of next chapter. Go ahead to ChatGPT, copy the name of the next chapter, and then paste it here, and generate a chapter for ChatGPT with this title, and add pages and so on till you finish the book. Of course, it'll depend on the number of pages or how big you want your book to be. You can ask ChatGPT to make it in less chapters and add pages, marks, and footers, and so on. and that way your book is finished. And to download it, just go to share and download it as a PDF, and you are good to go. And that's how easy it is to create a children's book on Canva using ChatGPT.